yoga starts from bending the body, but that is not yoga as it is. There is a big difference between bending the body is yoga, bending the body is also the yoga. Three major things you have never been told about yoga. First, yoga is not originated from Patanjali. Patanjali is the organizer, not originator. Origination. Please understand. The source is Sadashiva himself. Patanjali, a great disciple of Mahadeva, devotee of Mahadeva, lived in Chidambaram, organized this whole science, presented it in a very presentable format called Yoga Sutras. Yoga Sutras is a great book, no doubt, but not the first book. Yoga is at least 10 to 15,000 years older than Patanjali. Any knowledge branch, whether it is Ayurveda, Jyotisha, Gemmology, Numerology, or Siddha, knowing the originator, father, founding father, his intentions, his revelations, the material revealed by him, knowledge about that is too important. Any knowledge branch will be complete only if the founder's intentions are revealed as it is to the person who is studying that branch of the knowledge. First thing you have never been told is Sadashiva Adi Guru is the source of yoga tradition. Second, which you have never been told, which you need to be aware, always as for original source. Any practice you are asked to do, whether it is bending the body, or a specific way of breathing, or a specific visualization, or a specific verbalization, as for the source. Please understand, people who try to declare themselves as a brand of yoga have messed up the whole yoga by creating cat pose, dog pose, tree pose, inverted tree pose, downside dog pose, using yoga along with the sports, along with Pilates, along with other exercise, along with gymming. Everything is okay, but it cannot be diluted. One of the important truth you have never been told is yoga cannot be separated from Hinduism. It cannot be separated. Dilution is sampradaya droha.